What's up, traders? Welcome back to Elite Trade Club, the place where we keep it raw, real, and 100% transparent about trading. Today, we're breaking down something that every single trader, whether you're brand new or already in the game, has struggled with at some point. The 5 most common mistakes that can destroy your account, your mindset, and your confidence. Now, I'm not just talking theory here. I've made every one of these mistakes myself. I felt the pain, the frustration, and the urge to quit. But I've also learned how to recover, adapt, and come back stronger. So in this video, I'm not only going to expose these mistakes, but also show you exactly how to avoid them so that you don't have to learn the hard way like I did. Let's dive straight in. Mistake number 1, being money focused instead of trade focused. This is one of the biggest mistakes new traders make. It's very tempting to look at the market as a fast way to get rich. You see someone post massive profits on social media, or you hear about a friend who doubled their account in a few weeks, and immediately your mindset shifts. You start thinking, I need to make that much money too. The problem with this thinking is that it pushes you to make reckless decisions, like entering trades you haven't fully analyzed, sizing too big, or holding on too long, hoping for a miracle. Instead of sticking to a proven strategy, you end up gambling, and more often than not, that leads to blown accounts. Trading is not about how much money you can make in one trade, it's about how consistently you can make good decisions over time. A trader who focuses only on money tends to ignore the process. But a trader who focuses on executing high-quality trades based on discipline and strategy naturally sees profit grow over the long run. It's like being an athlete. If you keep chasing trophies instead of training properly, you'll probably lose. But if you commit to training the right way, the wins and the trophies will come on their own. So instead of asking, how much money can I make today, a better question to ask yourself is, am I making the best trade possible with the information I have? That mindset shift alone will save you from emotional decisions, help you avoid revenge trading, and build a foundation for long-term success. Remember, money follows good trades, not the other way around. Mistake number 2, not tracking progress or logging trades. Here's the thing. If you're not tracking your trades, you're basically trading blind. Imagine being a basketball player who never watches game replay, or a boxer who never studies their past fights. That's what trading without tracking is like. And it's not just about logging your trades. It's about tracking your entire journey. How many days did you backtest this month? How many hours of study did you put into it? How many setups did you screenshot and review? Because when those bad days hit, and trust me, they will, you need proof that you're making progress. You need to be able to look back and say, okay, I lost today, but this month I studied 50 setups, logged 20 trades, and backtested 2 years of data. I'm still leveling up. My advice, keep it simple. For each trade, just record 3 things. 1, a higher time frame screenshot. 2, a lower time frame screenshot. And 3, a quick note about why you took it. That's it. If you want to go deeper, great. But even the basics will transform how fast you improve. Mistake number 3, poor risk management. This one is the account killer. Most traders don't blow accounts because of bad strategy. They blow accounts because they don't respect risk. Let me share an exercise I gave a friend recently. I told him, flip a coin 10 times. Every time it's heads, add +2. Every time it's tails, subtract 1. We ran it 3 times. First time, he finished up +11. Second time, up +2. Third time, up +14. Now, this is just coin flipping, literally 50-50 odds. But because the risk and reward were fixed, he ended up consistently positive. That's trading in a nutshell. It's not about being right all the time. It's about managing risk and letting probabilities play out. For me, my daily loss limit is 2% on funded accounts. Recently, I broke that rule and lost 3.5% in one session. That was my mistake. So I punished myself the right way. I stopped trading for the week, took a step back, and focused on back testing instead. The lesson is respect your rules. If your system says stop after 2% loss, then stop. No revenge trades, no just one more. Discipline is what keeps you in this game long term. Mistake number 4, not knowing your numbers. Listen, if you don't know your stats, you really don't know your strategy. You should know things like your win rate, your average reward to risk, your average losing trade, the average duration of your trade, your frequency. Are you a once-a-week trader, or do you take multiple trades daily? For example, my win rate is around 40 to 50%. That means when I lose 2 trades in a row, I don't panic. Because statistically, I know the next trade has a high probability of being a winner. Knowing your numbers builds confidence. Without them, every loss feels like the end of the world. With them, every loss is just part of the game. Mistake number 5. Comparing yourself to other traders. This one is dangerous, mentally and emotionally. We've all been there, scrolling Instagram or YouTube, seeing traders flash 100K days, Lambos, and luxury lifestyles, and suddenly your $200 win feels worthless. But here's the truth. You're not in their chapter. They might be 10 years ahead of you. They might be trading 50K risk per position while you're risking 50. It's not the same game. I used to do this too, constantly comparing my journey to others. It wrecked my confidence. Finally, I unfollowed every flex trader online. I stopped looking at other people's profits and focused only on my growth. Please hear me. Comparison is poison. Your only competition is who you were yesterday. Focus on your journey, your growth, your numbers. That's how you win. So there you have it. The 5 biggest mistakes new traders make and exactly how to avoid them. Don't chase money, chase good trades. Track your progress and log your setups. Respect your risk management rules. Know your numbers. And most importantly, stop comparing yourself to others. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 mistakes have you struggled with the most? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you found value in this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to join the Elite Trade Club family. Until next time, trade sharp, stay ruthless, and keep chasing alpha.